Good morning, grade 8. At the end of topic 16, we have new subtopic, a very small one, and that is related to Euler's formula. Now, what do you mean by Euler's formula? First, let us understand who the Euler was. So, Leonhard Euler was a great mathematician, and he has discovered a formula, very interesting formula you can say, regarding faces, vertices and edges of solid figures. And the formula says that f plus v, that means faces plus vertices of any solid figure, is always equal to its number of edges plus 2. For example, this is cube, everyone knows that, okay. Now let us see what are faces, what are vertices and what is number of edges. How many faces are there? We have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of faces are 6. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. According to Euler's formula, number of edges plus 2 is equal to faces plus vertices. That means edges will be faces plus vertices if you add these two, and from that if you subtract 2, you will get number of edges. That means 6 plus 8 if you calculate, it comes out to be 14, and 14 minus 2 if you take, you should get number of edges, which is 12. So number of edges is 12 with this formula. See, no, faces are 6 plus vertices are 8, which is equal to edges plus 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. If I shift this 2, it will be minus 2, which should be E. So number of edges we are going to get 12. Let us calculate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then this is already counted. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 are edges. So with this formula, if from this 3, if 1 is not known, we can always calculate using the formula. Is this clear, everybody? Okay. So in your notebook on page number 113, you have one table which is given to write faces, vertices and number of edges. Okay, so let us do quickly. This is cube, this is cuboid. Okay, let us say F, V and E. This will be same, both will be same, cube and cuboid, because both are having 6 faces and 8 vertices. So this also will be 6, this will be 8 and edges will be 12. Now third diagram is related to triangular prism. What is this? This is triangular prism. This was cuboid. This is cube. Now let us calculate faces, vertices and edges. Okay. Now how many faces are there? See, if you look at the triangular prism, this is first face, this is second face and this is third face. This is fourth and this is fifth, top and bottom. So number of faces will be 5. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. Now how to calculate edges? Edges will be add this 2 and from that subtract 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 2 will be 9. Calculate. See. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 are edges. Alright. Now next we have, this is triangular prism. Now you have triangular pyramid. So this is triangular pyramid. Now look at this. In triangular pyramid, how many faces we have? 1, 2 and only 3 faces. So faces, vertices and edges. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Faces are, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3 faces. Vertices are 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 will be edges. 5. Count. See, 1, 2, 3. Faces are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry, 4 faces are there. Base is also there, no? This is first face, second, third and this base is fourth. 4 faces and vertices 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 2 will be 6. Okay. Now let us calculate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 edges. Got it? Okay, 4 we have done. Now remaining 2, pentagonal pyramid and hexagonal prism. Let us see those also. Please take this down because you will have to do it in the tabular form as shown in the textbook. You may do as it is shown in the textbook or you can write in this form also. So let's go ahead with two more diagrams now. Now look at next diagram. We have pentagonal pyramid. So 5 faces around and base face is there 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 faces we have, and vertices you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12, and edges will be 12 minus 2, or edges plus 2, 12 should be equal to faces plus vertices. So this automatically becomes 6 and 6. Alright. 6 plus 6 is 12. That is equal to edges plus 2. That is 10 plus 2 is also equal to 12. Now coming to hexagonal pyramid, they have already given faces and vertices. There are 8 faces. Hexagon means 6 faces, top and bottom. 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Edges will be 12. 6 over here, you can see the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 plus 8 is 20. This 20 will be equal to edges plus 2. So edges should be 20 minus 2, which is equal to 18. You calculate the edges, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. This is from front and that is from back side. You remember like that. Alright. So 20 minus 2 will be equal to edges. Okay. So this is the end of your 16th topic, students. Now only one more topic is remaining, and that is topic number 17, which is related to circle, chord and arc. So we'll see that in next video. Okay. Thank you.